Hi all, I am Ruby Kama. Welcome to our channel Live Teacher. Today I am here with a small video about the great legend Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India. So please go through the video and don't forget to share and subscribe. It is indeed rare for the world to witness a leader that is intelligent, wise, selfless, and loved by all. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam was one such a leader. Furthermore, he was a man who has a very strong appeal among the masses. Moreover, his political stature is a way above the discriminatory lines of the caste and religion. The great achiever came into this world on 15th October 1931 at a time when India was under British occupation. He was born to a Tamil Muslim family in Tamil Nadu. His father was a boat owner while his mother was a housewife. Furthermore, Kalam had 5 siblings and was the youngest of the lot. Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. After graduation, he joined at the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, an Indian Military Research Institute, and later the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Do you know why APJ Abdul Kalam is called as Missile Man of India? Yes, he thus came to known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran II nuclear test in 1998, the first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. Missiles developed by APJ. He was the project director of India's first satellite Rohini. During his tenure in DRDO, he headed the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program IGMDP to develop 5 different missiles, that is Prithvi, Agni, Trishul, Akash and Nag. 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India in 2002 with the support of both the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and then opposition Indian National Congress. He is widely referred as People President. He returned to his civilian life of education, writing and public service after a single term. Jump to awards and honors. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam received 7 honorary doctorates from 40 universities. The Government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushan in 1994 for his work with ISRO and DRDO and his role as a scientific advisor to the government. Let us go through some works of APJ. India 2020, A Mission to the New Millennium, Wings of Fire, an autobiography, ignited minds, unleashing the power within India. The Luminous Sparks, a biography in verse and colors, guiding souls, dialogues on the purpose of life. These are the few works of APJ. According to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, education is an endless journey through knowledge and enlightenment. Real education enhances the dignity of a human being and increases his or her self-respect and universal brotherhood in its true sense become the sheet anchor of such education. World celebrate Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary as Students' Day in honor of the man who always wished to be remembered as a teacher and who has made himself approachable to more than 18 million youngsters over the last 15 years of his life. United Nations recognized Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's 79th birthday as World Students' Day in the year 2010. So, World Students' Day is celebrated every year on October 15th, on former President APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. The day is commemorated on his birth anniversary because Dr. Kalam was a dedicated teacher and identified himself foremost in that role before anything else. The dream of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was to make India a developed nation in the world. In Vision 2020, he said, India will become developed nation because by the year 2020, India will be the youngest nation in the world having more youth. Kalam sir believed strongly in the power of youth to change India. While delivering a lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest on 27th July 2015 at the age of 83. Thousands, including national level dignitaries, attended the funeral ceremony held in hometown of Rameshwaram, where he was buried with full state honors. The legend rests here. After his sudden demise at Shillong on 27 July 2015, he was laid to rest at Peikarumbu, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu on 30th July 2015. A memorial has been built at the burial site. Let us see the ever-inspiring words of the great APJ. That is, confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.